Oh yeah. That looks beautiful right there. Japanese A5 Wagyu beef. This is actually part of a ribeye. It's about 8 ounces. This is what we're going to cook today.
Looks fantastic. Top of the line.
Top of the line, A5 is what?
The grading system they use over in Japan for Wagyu, so you can't get any higher than that.
That's all you need to do, season with salt.
That's it.
That is all. We're going to throw this in the pan for about a minute to a minute and a half on the side because we want this medium rare to medium-ish. And this cast iron skillet is hot.
What's your sauce?
So we're going to sear that. While it's searing for a minute, this is an acidic mix just to take a little bit off. That is so rich. We're going to dip a little, but this is mirin and soy sauce. We got a couple green onions here. We've emulsified a red pepper and a radish. You can use, what's the other? Daikon. You can use a daikon if you want, but we're going to mix these while this is resting, and then we're going to cut it and dip in here. We're going to try it both ways, just by itself and dipped in here. See what we think. All right, this is how rich this is. You don't season your pan, you don't oil it or anything. The fat from the steak has already created that much oil in the pan. All right, that's about a minute and a half. We're hoping we got a good sear on this. We're gonna flip it. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful right there. The camera doesn't even do it justice. All right, got another minute and a half. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna let it rest for probably 2 or 3 minutes. But look at that. That is probably a perfect medium rare right there. While it's resting, we're going to mix up our sauce. We're going to throw our green onions in here. And I just noticed, so I'm sure you will too, but my granddaughter painted my fingernails yesterday. They're still painted. Don't flame me on this one, but you do that stuff for your grandkids. Stung up. All right, it's been resting. We're going to take a little cut here, see what we did. Tim, let me know. Oh, look at that. Perfect medium rare.
Yes, it is.
Take a little taste there, boss. See what you think. And then the camera person's going to get a taste. Go ahead. Go ahead. See what you think. We're going to dip one and taste one. Taste it by itself first.
Tell me what to do.
I'll tell you what to do. Look at that. You can cut it with a fork. That's pretty darn bomb. All right, I'm going to taste it.
Be good with that?
Another bite.
McAllen.
That's all right. I don't think you're still going to go wrong. That's delicious.
That's good sauce.
I think that'd be good with sushi. All right, there you have it. A5 Japanese Wagyu. Worth the price. Cooked it at home.
What was the price?
Small portions.
The price is expensive, but worth it for a splurge at the holidays. So we're going to smash this.
Where's the McAllen?
I don't have... Well, I do have some in the basement. We'll get some McAllen. All right. Thanks for watching. Japanese A5 Wagyu. It's a bomb. If you get a chance to taste it, definitely taste it. Thanks for watching. Tim?
Delicious.
Thanks for tasting.
Thanks for the invite.